Once upon a time, in Sundarpur village, there lived a boy named Raju. He loved playing in the fields and running around with his friend Golu. But sometimes Raju liked to play tricks on people. One day, Raju saw an old farmer carrying a heavy basket of vegetables. The farmer was tired and slow. Raju thought it would be funny to hide one of the farmer's slippers. He giggled as the farmer looked everywhere for his slipper. The farmer was sad. He slowly walked home on one foot. Golu saw everything and told Raju that was not nice. You made him suffer. But Raju just laughed and ran away. Later that evening, Raju's dadi called him. She said, Raju beta, always remember whatever we do, good or bad, comes back to us. This is called the law of karma. If you do good, good things will come to you. If you do bad, it will return to you too. Raju didn't really listen, he was still laughing about his joke. The next day, Raju was flying his favorite kite. It was red and shiny. He was so happy. Suddenly, his kite flew away and got stuck in a tree. Raju cried, Oh no, my kite! He climbed the tree, but a thorn pricked his foot. He was hurt and fell. He called for help, but no one was nearby. Just then, the same old farmer was passing by. Raju felt scared and ashamed. Farmer smiled, helped him, and gave him water to drink. Raju said softly, I am sorry, I was mean to you yesterday. The old farmer patted his head and said, It's okay, little one, but remember, what we do comes back to us. Raju finally understood what Dadi and Golu meant. From that day on, he decided to do good things. He helped the old farmer carry baskets. He shared his toys with other children. He even planted trees in the village. Soon everyone liked Raju. He felt happy inside, knowing he was doing the right thing. Friends, the law of karma says what goes around comes around. If you do good, good will return to you. If you do bad, it will come back too. So always be kind and helpful.